Hey guys, I'm Carrie. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to make a series of videos walking you through a whole TOEFL reading passage. I will keep talking about different reading question types today. This is part 2. If you haven't watched part 1, check that out later. Before we get into the video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos about TOEFL and English learning. Let's get started. Question 3. All of the following are stated in paragraph 1 about schooling, except that when you see the keyword are except, you need to know this is to find something wrong. This is negative detailed question. Find the answer with the wrong information. Check out the answer choices first and get the keywords. A. It's common. The previous sentence we read for question 1 says, many species of fish travel in school, so A is correct. B involves large numbers of fish. Question 2 is about hordes or masses. It must be a lot, so B is correct. C involves different fish behaviors. D fully understood. We are not sure about these choices. Go back to the passage. You already know these sentences. No need to read them again. Go to the new sentence. Oh, countless varieties of schooling behaviors, so C is correct. The answer must be D, but keep skimming through the paragraph. Here's a sentence. Though this behavior is quite a regular, familiar phenomenon, there's much that is not completely known about it. So the information from D is wrong. The answer is D. Then go to the next question. Question 9. It can be inferred. Stop here. Once you see the keyword inferred, you know this is a reference question. Question 4 is also a reference question since you can't get the answer directly from the passage. Because of time, I will only talk about question 9 in this video. First, skim through the question and get some keywords. When a predator attacks, then check the answer choices. A. It cannot consume all members of school if it's large. B. It rarely manages catch any fish part of school. Here, rarely means seldom. C. It's successful wiping out entire school. D. It attacks schools like sense organs. After reading all the answer choices, you know they are all about what happens after a predator attacks. Although this question doesn't guide you to a paragraph, you will know it's related to paragraph 2 after finishing question 7. This is why you need to answer TOEFL questions in order. You know, fish in schools helps to ensure survival. Keep skimming through the paragraph, you will find this. When a predator attacks a school, this is exactly the question 9, and the answer is the next sentence. The predator will be able to consume only a small percentage of the school. Since you already have read all the choices, it's exactly like answer A, so A is correct. Then go to the next question. I already talked about the tips for different types of reading questions. You could keep working on these questions. Stay tuned for part 3 in the series. Please share and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell button. Thank you for watching. See ya!